Writing skills, interview questions. How to write interview questions. Here you have to imagine that you have been asked to interview some personality in the field of science, sports, arts, culture, politics, environment, etc. Children, you are expected to frame 8 or 10 questions that you would ask a person in an interview. The questions may relate to the formative years, influences, education, interests of the person, how the person got into the field, achieved fame, awards, renown, and so on. You may also ask about the person's interests, future plans, and advice to the youth. Some more points on how to write interview questions. The questions should flow in sequence and should cover a variety of life features and other aspects. Use a variety of question words like who, what, when, how, why, where, which, whom, etc. to frame your questions. Use a question mark at the end of each question. Avoid asking questions that elicit merely a yes or no reply. So you will avoid asking those questions where you get only a reply of yes or no. The questions that you ask should seek more information. Prepare short and polite questions. Your question should be short. Be clear and concise. Remember to begin with proper greeting and introduction and end off with a proper conclusion. Note, the answers to the questions are not expected. You only have to frame 8 or 10 questions. Model interview question. You are Hardik Goel. You are going to conduct an interview of Nitish, who stood first in the SSC board examination. Prepare a set of 8 or 10 questions. So this is the greeting or the introduction. Good morning, Nitish. Hearty congratulations for your success. You have really made your school and family proud. Welcome to this occasion. I'm really grateful to be here with you to know more about you and your success. Are you ready for the same? The first question. How do you feel on receiving such an honor? How long have you been preparing for the same? Who do you attribute your success to? Were you always academically inclined? What was the role of your parents in your success? What difficulties and problems did you face to achieve your dream? How many hours of study did you put in? Did you spare some time for games and entertainment? What is your plan for the future? The 10th question. What message would you like to give students who are going to appear for the SSC examination? Thank you very much for being in our midst and giving of your valuable time to our school and students. Wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Assignment to be done. As a part of conservation of wildlife, you were fortunate to visit a zoo wherein you interviewed the zoo manager. Write down 8 or 10 questions that you would ask him. The entire notes on interview writing has to be written on the A4 size paper along with the model interview. The assignment has also to be done on the A4 size paper. This is the assignment. As a part of conservation of wildlife, you were fortunate to visit a zoo wherein you interviewed the zoo manager. Write down 8 or 10 questions that you would ask him.